Introduction to Electronic and Electrical Engineering. This module will cover the basics of electronic and electrical engineering, including the history and scope of the field, the principles of circuit analysis and design, and the types of systems and devices that electronic and electrical engineers work on. Circuit analysis and design. In this module, students will learn about the principles of circuit analysis and design, including the use of circuit simulation tools and the design of analog and digital circuits. Signals and systems. This module will focus on the principles and practices of signals and systems, including the analysis and processing of continuous and discrete signals. Electronics. This module will focus on the principles and practices of electronics, including the design and operation of electronic devices and systems. Electromagnetics. In this module, students will learn about the principles of electromagnetics, including the behavior of electric and magnetic fields and the design of electromagnetic devices. Electronic and Electrical Engineering Project. In the final module of the course, students will have the opportunity to apply the knowledge and skills they have learned to an electronic and electrical engineering project. This may include designing and building a circuit or electronic device, conducting laboratory experiments, or participating in a team project to design and analyze a real-world electronic or electrical system. I hope this outline gives you a good idea of what a university-level course on electronic and electrical engineering might cover. Let me know if you have any questions.
Yes, that is so cool, and you can also check out the outline for a university-level course on architecture. Introduction to Architecture, Definition of Architecture and the Role of Architects, History of Architecture and Major Architectural Movements, the Design Process and the Architect's Role in it, Building Codes and Regulations, Architectural Styles and Theory, Different Architectural Styles and Their Characteristics, Theories of Design and Their Influence on Architecture, the Relationship between Form and Function in Architecture, Building Materials and Construction Techniques, Different Types of Building Materials and their properties, traditional and modern construction techniques, sustainability in architecture and the use of eco-friendly materials, structural design and engineering, the principles of structural design and analysis, load-bearing systems and structural elements, the use of computer-aided design, CAD, in architecture, architectural drawing and visual communication, the different types of architectural drawings and their uses, basic drafting techniques and conventions, the use of 3D modeling software in architecture, professional practice, the business of architecture and the role of the architect working with clients and contractors, legal issues in architecture, specialized areas of practice, landscape architecture, urban design, interior design, conservation and preservation of historic buildings. This is just a rough outline, and the specifics of the course will depend on the focus and goals of the program. Let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like more information on any of these topics. Leonard James Promotions.